The Mines module has evolved from years of working with Western Australian underground mine surveyors. Surveyors in industry have contributed their input to allow Trimble to write programs specifically for the underground surveyor. Auto stakeout is the featured category which allows the total station to do stakeouts of your uploaded DXF 4 points designs, as well as inputting data on the fly. In Auto Stake Grade Line, select points or DXFs from the screen or type them in, choose your offsets and tolerances, and begin.
Mark point. Mark point.
Auto stake out blast hole collars by selecting holes by DXF or point pairs, and toes and collars are listed. Holes are then staked out as per your tolerances.
Observation stored. Point. Observation stored. Point. Observation stored.
Set out your laser lines quickly and easily when your lines have prefixes or suffixes and are able to be distinguished by the auto stakeout function. Choose the option of defining where the lines will be staked out, which is very handy for avoiding electrical boxes and services. Simply point the laser at the height you want to paint the line, tap measure, and auto stakeout begins setting out the lines at your selected height.
Observation stored. Point. Observation stored. Point.
Export your job data into a selection of formats ready for your software package. Customize your list by adding and removing what you need. The Trimble Mines module is the solution for underground surveying in your mine. HL Geospatial are the authorized Trimble dealer in Western Australia and can supply you with all the equipment needed for your mine. To learn more about the Mines module and Trimble Underground synergies with your mine, contact us at sales@hlgs.com.au or Dustin@hlgs.com.au.